Kynhun Myntri Hakajingalang Kabala Long Hakasni Toding, Kamonjur, and Pynkylla Yag Meghalaya Building Bylaws Ajat Way, and Pene Yakikam Penroy Haposor, Yakijin Pynkylla in Bu Bakin Yailang, Bakikindon Kasoka Pedeng, Panpentikina Yakijin Yada Habate Yaki Mala, Banpentikina Yakijin Pendon Kam Kijaka, Nagabanta, Kitrai Kendo Kibarit, Ban Ijing Bit, Yakijing Drong, Jonka Jingpei, Yaki Mala, Ban Itu Yakijaka, Bakilate, the Lord Kiway
The fourth was the approval that was given to some amendments to the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021 for sustainable urban development in Meghalaya. These amendments are being done in line with certain provisions and certain conditions that has been put in by Government of India, number one, and also to ensure that overall safety of the buildings are there, and also to ensure that the smaller land holdings, there could be more utilization of the land by small land owners, because earlier there were some restrictions in terms of um, the uh, the gap that you have to leave from the front, in the rear, and the sides, and so that has been reduced. And some other amendments have been made, for example, to the height of the buildings that are permissible, and also to the construction of buildings in areas which are 50 degrees and higher slopes. Certain provisions will apply. So those kind of amendments have been made.
Meghalaya building bylaws have helped the government to check on violations of the bylaws?
Yeah, of course. The building opening permissions are not given if you don't adhere to the bylaws. So therefore, there are procedures that will be followed, and it has, of course, helped, and it has to be implemented, and is being implemented as per the rules and as per the laws.
Sir, just as a layman perspective, I'm asking this above 27 meters means how many story?
27 meters is roughly about close to 27 into 3 is like what, 82 whatever feet, something like that. So I would be guessing about 3 4 floors, so something. I really don't know 27 meters, so you have to find out, but it's about close to 90 feet, just below 90 feet.